We build with agents now. Most of our code is written by tools like Claude, Codex, and Gemini, not typed by hand. But we kept running into the same problem. The tools around that workflow weren't made for it. The editor's still at the center, planning lives in a separate app, and the context never sticks. So we built what we needed. And it was always the same handful of problems. Sessions started cold, re-explaining the architecture every time. Decisions got forgotten, tasks slipped, terminals open everywhere, a different agent in each. And when we ran two at once, they'd collide, editing the same files, undoing each other's work. So we asked what was really missing. Not a bigger model, a plan the agents could actually follow. The answer was the spec. Write it once, and it works three ways. The plan your agents follow, a unit of work that runs in parallel without collisions, and the context that survives after the session's gone. So that's what we built. Open a project in Frame, and the context is already there. The standards, the structure, the decisions we'd captured. The agent reads it before it does anything. We stopped re-explaining. Specs are the part we believe in most. When something's too big for one session, you describe it, and Frame turns it into a spec, a plan, and an ordered list of tasks. It forces the thinking up front, the way good engineering always did. The agent works through the tasks one at a time and writes back what actually shipped. So the plan and the reasoning behind it lives in the project, not in a conversation that disappears. Then we took it further. Hand a set of specs to a conductor and it runs them in parallel. Each agent in its own isolated Git worktree, so no two ever touch the same files. That safety isn't left to the model. It's enforced in code. You watch each one work, jump into any of them, and nothing merges until you approve it. And it all runs in one place. Every project, every tool. A row of agents working in parallel, with one person keeping the whole thing on track. And one more thing. We build Frame with Frame. Everything you've just seen shipped through its own specs and its own orchestration. It's a real system too. 121 IPC channels, 88 modules, 3 AI tools, all coordinated the same way. We made a few deliberate calls. Frame isn't tied to one model. It works the same with Claude, Codex, or Gemini, and it's built to extend to others, including local models you run yourself. The models keep changing. We'd rather be the layer that coordinates them than bet on any single one. And everything Frame keeps is just plain text in your repo. Your specs, your context, your tasks. Nothing locked in a database. Nothing you can't read, grep, or walk away with. And the more a team works this way, the more that shared structure pays off. Today, Frame runs on your desktop. Next, it moves to the cloud, the same workspace in your browser, with the agents running on our infrastructure, not your machine. And built for teams, so a whole organization plans, runs, and reviews its agents in one place. The work is moving to agents. Teams will need somewhere to run it, and that's the somewhere we're building. Frame, built for the way we work with agents now. Frame.cool.